Good morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, I hope everybody had a safe and a nice weekend. Weather here in Chicago was perfect. As far as the overnight grain trade, we've got beans up a little bit, corn unchanged, and wheat down. I think the bean market funds are still long beans and soybean oil. Beans because of hope of new China demand that will help support prices near this $9 level. And also soybean oil up because of drop in Malaysian production, increase in China demand. As far as the corn market is concerned, kind of status quo with hope that we'll get some new China export demand versus a bigger U.S. crop. We're near contract lows, and so it's hard to push the market lower even though the funds keep adding to their short positions. Farmers are still reluctant sellers of cash grain, which is supportive to the basis, but eventually they're going to have to sell a record amount of corn between now and harvest. As far as the wheat market is concerned, there's just too much wheat. We could see the USDA drop wheat numbers as far as production in Europe, maybe Argentina, but we're probably losing equal amount of demand because of the virus. We'll be watching export inspections, export sales, any news on the virus, any concentrated efforts by world governments or banks to shore up global economy until this virus is behind us, and that could impact values of not only commodities but also the stock market. We're seeing money flow into the precious metals versus savings accounts because there's no interest rates to accrue savings account numbers, and so we'll see if that offers support to precious metals. USDA is going to have a report on August 12th. It'll have the first official crop numbers for corn and beans. There's no field survey, but there is a farmer survey. People expect anywhere from 100 to 300 million bushel increase in corn, maybe a 50 million bushel increase in beans. We could also see similar amounts as far as drop in demand, and also drop in some of the residuals. So we'll have to kind of see if that increases the carryout and prices lower on August the 12th. Otherwise, next 2 weeks, mixture of some dryness in spots, some rains, some sunshine, and a little bit warmer temps down the road, but nothing severe to cause any stress in the crop, and we do expect crop readings to increase today. So as always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, treat others like you would like to be treated yourself.